Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to check out with few important points to be noted in the notification of Karnataka TET 2022. Yes, as you all know, the Karnataka TET notification is released yesterday for the Karnataka TET 2022. And so we shall check out with few important points to be noted and to be followed during the exams. So, if you're a fresher, a few new candidate, you must be preparing for this TET already, waiting for this notification to be released. Yes. So, we shall check out with this notifications important points. So, before moving to the video, if you are new to my channel, kindly do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the videos which we upload here. Mainly, I upload maths and science videos. So, which will be helpful for TET as well as GPSC exam and also for HSTR exams. So whenever I take up a topic here, I will cover up all the levels of the topic, okay, so that you will appear for all these basic exams. So as we move to the important points, the notification date, this was released yesterday, that is 019/2022, right? Okay, September 1st. Yes, as we move to the important points to be noted, the notification date was released yesterday, 01/09/2022. You can check in the www.schooleducation.kar.nic.in. In this website, you can check out all the details in Kannada. Okay, so here, so when is the online application starts? It starts from actually yesterday only, but it was of late after 8:30. So when they released this notification and it is to be uploaded, it takes time, right? So from today, I think this will be available, application form will be available, that is 019/2022 to 30/9/2022, this month 30th up to 30th. Then exam date is November 6th, it's on Sunday. Okay, next, exam fees. There are two papers, right? Paper 1 and paper 2. I have already explained in detail about this paper 1 and paper 2. So as we check out with this exam fees, paper 1 and paper 2, two papers are there. And if you want to appear for any one paper 1 or paper 2, for general category 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, candidates need to pay 700 rupees. And if you want to appear for both the papers, 1000 rupees, paper 1 and paper 2. For SC/ST category 1 candidates, if you want to appear for any one paper, 350 rupees. For both the papers, 500. If you are a physically challenged candidate, then no fees, it's free, right? Okay. So application to be applied only through online mode. Okay, so you can go to the school website portal. There you will find the exact information about how to upload the video if you are doing at home. Otherwise, if you go to any browsing center, they will do it for you. But be vigilant, be careful while uploading the details, the personal details. They may ask for your father's name, mother's name, all those details, okay, to be entered there. And carry your personal details also, Aadhaar card and ID proofs like voter ID, Aadhaar card. If any necessary, you can just submit it there. And you must keep your category certificate also, that must be valid category certificate. Next, so as we check out with this eligibility criteria for paper 1 to teach for the classes 1st standard to 5th standard, there are 5 eligibility criteria. Among this, any one a candidate must possess to appear for paper 1. Okay, note down very carefully. I have just squeezed all the points into simplest form. So first point, the candidate must possess PUC 50% marks plus what you call as DED, Diploma in Education before it was, now Diploma in Elementary Education, DED, or TCH, what you call, before it was called as TCH. So related, whatever name it is called as, okay, the teacher training course for 2 years, they don't know, that is DED. So either candidate have to be completed the DED course, or the candidate must have written the final semester exam, not in final semester, have written the final semester and waiting for the result. Only those candidates can apply for paper 1. Or if the person has completed PUC with 50% plus BLEd 4 years course along with the degree after PUC 4 years course, 3 years degree and 1 year practice, that is like B.Ed course only, that is 4 years course, then the candidate completed this 4 years or written the final semester exam and waiting for the result. Not only the final semester candidates can apply here. They should be written the exam and waiting for the result. Next, third one, or the candidate can possess senior secondary 50%. That is in case of ICC schools and all, they call it as +1, +2 senior secondary, right? They won't call it as PUC, senior secondary. So +2 after 10th standard, 2 years senior secondary 50% marks plus diploma in special education, DEd could become DEd in special education also, or written the final semester exam and waiting for the result. Or the candidate, this is very important point for the degree holders, just check it out, UG or bachelor degree with 50% marks plus DEd, okay, or DEd final semester is written waiting for the result, okay, exam is over and waiting for the result. Then or a candidate can possess 50% marks in degree plus B.Ed. So if you have completed degree plus B.Ed, you can apply for both the papers, paper 1 and paper 2. So that is the specialty here, right? Okay. So point to be noted here is whenever it is written as final sem written FSW, the candidate must have written the final semester exam and waiting for the result. Okay, not those who are writing or those who are just in the final semester are not eligible to apply for this TET. In the next TET you can try. Next, as we move to the eligibility criteria for paper 2, that is to teach for the classes 6th standard to 8th standard. Okay, in the previous case, to teach for the classes from 1st standard to 5th standard, there will be a separate exam. Okay, so it will be called by the again state government board only, and for this classes also, this we call it as a primary, this is for 1st standard to 5th standard is primary school teachers recruitment. Here GPSTR, graduate primary school teachers recruitment, they call GPSTR exam. If you clear paper 2 TET only, you are able to appear for GPSTR exams. Okay, so what are the eligibility criteria for this candidates? There are again 5 points to be noted here. A candidate must possess any one among these 5 points. First point, either the candidate can possess degree 50% plus DLEd, that is DEd, either completed or written the final year exam and waiting for the result. Then, or the candidate can have a degree 50% or B.Ed 1 year course. Before it was of B.Ed 1 year course only if the candidate is completed, or now B.Ed 2 years course if the candidate is doing B.Ed 2 years course and written the exam and waiting for the result, it could be. Okay, so this is second point. Third point, PUC 50% marks plus BLEd, that is 4 years degree come B.Ed course comes, no, that is. So either completed this 4 years course or waiting for the result. Next, or the candidate can possess PUC or senior secondary 50% marks plus 4 years degree in special education also, we will see in the next point. Here 4 years degree, either senior secondary also. These 2 points are almost similar, right? They have just mentioned about senior secondary here, either after 10th standard +1 +2 we call, right, that. Next, degree 50% marks plus 2 years B.Ed in special education, candidate can also appear, or if they have completed the exam and waiting for the result can also appear. And all this 50% marks whatever we have mentioned here, that is except SC, ST and category 1 candidates. For this SC, ST and category 1 candidate, the eligibility is only 45% marks they can possess in this degree, or in PU they whatever they have mentioned, they must have 45%. Next, moving to the exam question paper pattern, it's of MCQ type, they have only mentioned already. So multiple choice questions, number of questions in both paper 1 and paper 2 will be 150, and time duration is also same for paper 1 and paper 2, that is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Already I have discussed about the syllabus for paper 2 in the previous video. Kindly go to the playlist. You will get Karnataka TET playlist. You will check all this syllabus, the expected syllabus for TET, and you can start preparing. Okay, already I have started taking the classes based on this chapters, whichever already I have covered for GPSTR exams will also be helpful for TET. So you can go to channel playlist and refer those videos. Whatever chapters are left there, which is there in the present TET, I am taking according to the syllabus. Okay, new syllabus will be released after few days of notification, but there will be only few changes. Okay, so if at all there is changes, otherwise they will follow the same syllabus. They may little add up, that's it. So you can follow the previous syllabus. Next, what is the eligibility? Out of 150 marks, you must score 90 marks to get the eligibility in this exam. That is 60% of the marks. But only candidates of SC, ST category 1, they need to score 55% marks. So that is approximately 83 marks. If they score, they will get 55%. So even if you get 1 marks less also, you will not be eligible for this TET, because here if at all any question is wrong, okay, the question will be deleted. Okay, marks will not be added to you. Whatever the marks you get, the percentage will be little increased. There will be little changes. So be careful, aim high to score high. And what is validity? It is lifetime validity. Once if you appear for and clear this exam, you will have lifetime validity. And provide all the documents which is asked according to your SSLC marks card only. That is main. So without any spelling mistakes you must upload, then only you will get the correct document, the eligibility certificate. And there is no negative mark. You can appear for all the questions. Out of 150 questions, you can appear for all the questions. And how many times one can appear? So one can appear unlimited time. If you have already appeared for the exam and cleared the exam, or not clear, no problem, this time you can apply for. And if for the specially challenged children or the candidates, they must arrange scribe. Means they are physically challenged, like vision problem they have, they are unable to write, they can arrange their own scribe, that person. And they have to, I think they will ask prayer. They must introduce them in the exam hall, and they must mention there in the application form. If they are bringing the scribe while applying for the exam only, they will ask for this and all. You must note that. And hall ticket will be there in the school portal. It will be available. That is from 21/10/2022. You can download that. And what is the exam timing? For paper 1, 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. you have to be there in the campus wherever it is allotted. When you get the hall ticket only, you will come to know your exam center. Okay, wherever centers you appear for. If you are applying for in Bangalore or Mysore or Gulbarga, anywhere, wherever you apply, so in that region you will find your exam centers. And as we move to the exam starting time, for paper 1, it is 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. in the morning. 9 a.m. you should be there in the campus sharp, and it takes a little bit of time after entering 9 to 9:15 to they will check the hall ticket and those things, and they will distribute this question paper booklet by 9:15, and you will have 15 minutes to fill up those first page. Okay, and to check whether the question paper is correct. So 9:30 you will start writing. You will open the question paper and you will start answering the paper. 9:30 to 12 o'clock, 2.5 hours will be the time for paper 1. Same for paper 2, it is from 1:30 you have to be there in the campus, 1:30 in the afternoon, and 1:30 to 1:45 they will check it, and then 1:55 question paper will be given to you. Then 2 o'clock you can start writing. 2 to 4:30 you can write the exam. 4:30 they will collect the paper. So these are the few important information if you are a fresher. Okay, so other than this, if you have any doubts, you can kindly comment in the comment section. I'll try to answer, and I'm trying to take all the complete portion for this TET. I'll try to cover up even physics, chemistry, biology, maths. Okay, this many concepts I will try to cover, and you need to prepare for paper 1 Kannada if you are choosing, or English if you are choosing. Generally I am just telling Kannada, English if you are taking, you can prepare accordingly for your subjects, psychology, and the remaining for 60 marks I will try to take up the class. Okay, and for paper 1 question paper level will be from your first standard to 10th standard level, and for paper 2 from 6th standard to 12th standard level. Okay, little higher than your 10th standard, but it will be of basics only. Don't worry, whatever given in the syllabus, according to the syllabus I will take up the class. Okay, and whatever the classes we take, that will not be sufficient to score full marks. You need to prepare thoroughly with other sources. You need to refer the question papers. We can just guide you how to prepare, and I'll try to cover around 90%. We will give you the output for you, and you need to prepare from the other sources. Okay, so in the next class we will be starting according to the syllabus the remaining classes. Okay, already many maths classes are completed. You can kindly go to the channel description box and view all those videos. Okay, around about 90% I'll try to help you out from my side by completing the portions. This time we have got 2 months time, so I think I can complete the syllabus. I'll try to explain in Kannada, depends on your interest. Okay, if you would like to have Kannada videos, kindly comment in the comment section, then only I'll understand and I can explain in Kannada. Otherwise I'll carry out with English only. So in the next video onwards you can start preparing. Better don't wait for tomorrow, better start today itself. Okay, from this moment, whenever you watch this video, you start preparing for your exams. All the best. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.